Hi, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit Sunkist filter using Lightroom Mobile, and this is before and after using this preset on some sample photos. First, go to Light. Exposure to -0.10. Contrast to 7. Highlights to -10. Shadows to 36. Whites to 10. And blacks to -19. Next, go to Curve. I've made these curves before. You can pause this video to make them. You can also get these presets for free. Just find password in this video. Next, go to Color. Vibrance to 10. And Saturation to -2. Next, go to Color Mix. For red, hue to 95. Saturation to 82. And luminance to -60. For orange, hue to -8. Saturation to 5. And luminance to -10. For yellow, hue to 56. Saturation to -59. And luminance to -5. For green, hue to 100. Saturation to -95. And luminance to -25. For aqua, hue to 13. And luminance to 15. For blue, hue to -18. Saturation to -88. And luminance to 35. For purple, hue to 15. Saturation to -5. And luminance to -10. For pink, hue to 18. And saturation to -25. And last, go to detail. Sharpening to 25. And done. You can copy these preset settings and paste them on other photos. And you can also adjust it again, according to your wishes. Okay, I hope you like this preset, and see you in the next tutorial.